Oh yeah. Gonna do this. Gonna parkour over all these buildings. Oh yeah. Parkour and hardcore. I'm parkouring so good. It's so good. I'm hardcore and rage player. Yeah, I'm hardcore. Parkour, bro. Yeah, hardcore. Yeah, I'm parkour. Right. Yeah. Dang it. I gotta start over again. Well, first off, we need to cut down some trees. Let's see. I just press the right click and your character will start hitting it. Huh. Come on, hit it! No, hit it! Hit it! Hit the tree. Maybe I gotta be in first person. Okay. No! I'm swimming! Wait, why is it... What? Just mine! Anything! No! Mine! Whoa, I'm killing so much stuff, but my missiles won't fire. Pew, pew, pew. No, stop! Fire, you missiles! Just fire! Pew, 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 pew. Dang it! Is this supposed to be a fighting game? Yeah. Pew, 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 pew. No, pew, 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 pew. No, word! Pew, 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 pew. Dang it! Well, how do I fire missiles? Do I press F? Do I press anything? Well, first of all, we're riding an animal that can't breathe fire. And second of all, this isn't World War II fighting airplane game. This is World of Warcraft. Shut up! I can figure it out! Yeah. Oh my god. Hello, GameStop? Yes, how may I help you? I'm looking for a Wii game. Excuse me, what is this game called? Well, it's called Battletoads for Wii. Do you have it? Oh my god, just shut up about that joke. That's been going on for so long.